In this video, we're going to go over the 4 important things that you need to do before consulting a third-party SEO company and a checklist that will make sure that your company is successful and profitable. So a quick rundown of what to anticipate in this video. We're going to be going over the 4 essential things that you need to think about before hiring a third-party SEO agency to help your company grow. One of the main things that people do when hiring a company is they go on Google and they put in the service that they're looking for with the geolocation that they're in. So as you would go in to look up SEO firm in your area, you might see a lot of websites come up. Make sure to look deeper. Don't look at the first website that comes up. Shiny things are not always the best things. Second, as you're looking into your search, SEO rankings are great for companies that come up, but understand more. Look at the specialties that they offer. Next, we're gonna look at company size and the value that actually has for us. Thousands and thousands of employees does not mean thousands of dollars of revenue for you. It just might mean you might get missed. Number 4, the most important meeting you will have, which is the consultation meeting. What should you be asking during that meeting? Things to look for and things that matter to you. Make sure you're heard, make sure the questions that you have are answered. And the last thing, the most exciting thing to look forward to, we're gonna give you the 5 essential things that you wanna make sure your SEO agency that you do hire does roll out to make sure that they're accountable and your business is profitable. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. One of the first things that we wanna make sure that we do on our checklist is wanna look deeper. What do I mean by look deeper? When you do a search and you look for a service provider, you're gonna pull up a website, you're gonna see a shiny website, colors, logos, and everything else. But does that mean they will be able to actually help you? Not necessarily. You wanna look deeper. You wanna go into the website, you wanna look at their testimonials. You wanna see what others are saying about them, and does it fall in line with your values and things that you want to be able to have in terms of success? Something else that's really important, you wanna look at the case studies. Within those case studies, you'll be able to see some of the specialties that they have in regards to things you're able to do, past things they've done, and how you're able to understand if they're a good match for you. Going over point number 2, SEO rankings and who you find on Google to be able to help you and what you should really look at. Something that you need to understand is if someone comes up first in the city for marketing, they might not be the best marketing match for you. So things to understand, the specialties that they have, things they've done in the past with similar companies such as yours to help you understand if they are a good match for you. No 2 companies are the same, so you might be able to find a better match by asking these questions and see if they have a track record within your industry. The next question you need to ask yourself is, does size matter when hiring an SEO agency? You need to look at the values that actually make sense for you. Do they have the ability to help you within a customized manner? A lot of times these bigger companies that offer services, they offer the same exact services for all of their customers. And that tends to not really work in this more customized demand world where our users are wanting to see unique items. You need to find a balance between size and quality. Having thousands of employees does not equate to beautiful work or quality work, but it does make sense to look at the people that are working on your project and see how much time they spent in their position, past work they've done, and overall communication skills, because you want to be able to build a relationship with these people and be able to go back and forward with ideas and different ways to scale. The revolving door of a bigger company does not fare well for a business owner because there is this learning curve every time a new marketing person gets stepped in. So understanding that you're going with a company that has a longevity and their staff has stayed with them for a long volume of time, that tends to benefit the business owner to be able to be more successful with their marketing campaign. As promised, here are the 5 steps to take when you do hire an SEO company to take on your project. Step 1, set goals. Have realistic goals for the next 30, 60, 90 days that the SEO team as well as yourself can agree on, and you're able to set benchmark to be able to grow. 2, set regular meetings. Communication is key. As your business make changes, let your SEO team know so they're able to understand what's going on and they're able to help and change as you move forward. 3, request regular reports. You want to be able to identify what's going on real time so you're able to have a third party be able to step in if needed to be able to do a double check. Number 4, be open to change. We all know we have a specific goal, but the road to that success might change. So be willing and open to listen to your SEO company if they offer different opportunities for goals to be able to be reached through different processes. 5, believe in the process. If you've done everything on this list and you've listened to the step-by-step process to be able to onboard a company, there has to be a level of trust that you have to have with your SEO company. SEO is a long-term process. It is not an instant get that you will get ranking first day. So believe in the process, believe in the people you're working with. You need to give them a minimum of 90 days to be able to help show what they're able to do. I hope you're feeling great about hiring a third-party SEO agency, and the information that we provided to you helped you understand a little bit more about how to pick the best company that serves you. We want to be able to make sure that you stay educated, you stay informed, and you're able to always use the power of the internet to be able to help you. Make sure to scan the QR code over my shoulder. Always be informed, always know what is coming next. And I'm Ben, and I'll see you next time.